Hey guys, this is Woodcraft CZ. This is going to be a short video where I'm installing my MagSwitch drill fence guide. As you can see, I'm just unboxing it. Inside the polystyrene we have two backstop magnets. This is what supports the fence, and you can see they're attached to the fence by the two threaded holes on the flat surface. You might also have noticed it's got slight tubing to offer a buffer against the metal drill plate. In the little baggie we have 4 threaded bolts that attach the magnets to the fence, an Allen wrench, and also some spare tubing, I guess, to replace what's on the magnets already. This magnet is the kind of stop block. It kind of works on a tri-axis between the fence, the sacrifice material underneath, and the piece you're drilling. And finally we have the fence itself. There's 2 sizes, there's a larger one and this one, which is 13 inches. It's quite thick and hefty, so it's really good. It feels like a good quality. The fence has 4 holes on either side for placement of the magnets, depending, I guess, on the base of your drill. Here I'm wondering what the hole in this stop block magnet's for. It's threaded, but not all the way through. So if you know, leave the answer down in the comments. Okay, now it's time to dismantle my makeshift fence. It's been okay, but it's been tedious to make adjustments, and sometimes the clamps give when drilling repeatedly. Okay, so the old surface is off. Time to put the fence on and check for flushness. Everything seems okay. So now time to place the magnets. I'm choosing the 2 inner holes of each side. Each magnet is going to have 2 bolts. It's pretty straightforward. As you can see, the 2 threaded holes on the block make it easy work. Okay, now that both magnets are on, you can see that the tubing offers protection. It's slightly raised. It just offers a cushioning. The stop block magnet going on. And now I just have to find a piece of sacrificial board. The strength of the magnets are pretty solid. I mean, it's not going anywhere and I'm shaking it pretty hard. Going to use a bit of MDF. It doesn't hold it very tight, but just enough so it doesn't move. Okay, so now I'm just marking a bit of walnut, a white mark so the camera can pick it up. This is where I'm going to drill the hole. So let's see how it works. I'm going to put an 8mm fish bit. Once the bit's in, I put on my laser, see where the hole is, and I align the fence to the crosshairs. I hadn't noticed the backing plate moved, so when I adjusted the sacrificial plate, it went off center, but it wasn't a big deal, just a small adjustment fixed that. When I make the adjustment, I just make sure that the sacrificial board is flush against the fence. I have to say, I'm really happy with the fence. Easy to install and very effective. If you guys have enjoyed the video and haven't already, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, as I'm trying to build it up to 1,000 subscribers and every subscription helps. Well, that's it for me now, guys. I'll see you in the next video.